Square for Restaurants Review. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, I'm going to review Square for Restaurant POS. And to create an account on Square for Restaurant, you can check the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Square for Restaurant POS, it is a comprehensive point-of-sale system designed specifically for the unique needs of the restaurant industry. This platform offers a user-friendly interface that facilitates efficient order taking, item customization, and payment processing. With Square for Restaurants POS, restaurant staff can easily navigate through menus, select items, and customize orders according to customer preferences or dietary restrictions. And the system also includes robust table management features, allowing restaurants to track tables' statuses. And now that we know the overview of Square for Restaurant, we can now proceed by knowing other details of this platform. So let's start by knowing the features it offers. As you can see, it offers point-of-sale or POS system. City Square for Restaurants provides a robust POS system tailored specifically for the restaurant industry. It allows for easy order taking, item customization, and payment processing. And it also offers table management, since the platform includes tools for efficient table management, enabling restaurants to track tables' statuses, manage reservations, and optimize seating arrangements. And it also has menu management with Square for Restaurants. Restaurants can easily create, update, and customize menus. This includes adding new items, modifying prices, and adjusting descriptions. And it also has order management, since the system streamlines order management processes, allowing staff to efficiently process orders, manage order modifications, and ensure accurate fulfillment. It also has integration capabilities. Square for Restaurants seamlessly integrates with other essential restaurant management tools, and such as inventory management systems and accounting software to streamline operations. Now moving on to its pricing plan. As you can see, it offers a free plan. This includes the basics you need for day-to-day service and operations. You only pay when you take a payment. It includes unlimited countertop POS devices, unlimited locations, and Monday to Friday 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. schedule. While their Plus plan, this plan costs $60 per month and includes advanced features such as course management, live sales reporting, and 24/7 support. It includes one countertop POS device per location. Additional countertop POS device costs $40 per month each, and locations using mobile POS costs an additional $50 per month. While the Square Restaurant Essential Bundle, this bundle costs $153 per month and includes Square for Restaurant Plus, Square Online Ordering Premium, Square Team Plus, Square Ship Plus, Square Team Communication, and Square Payroll. Now moving on to its pros and cons, starting to the pros of Square for Restaurants. In terms of user-friendly interface, it is easy to use, leading to faster training and increased productivity. And it also has comprehensive features, which is a wide range of features tailored for the restaurant industry. And it has transparent pricing, no hidden fees, or long-term contracts. And in terms of scalability, it can scale to meet needs of both small and large restaurants. And integration capabilities integrates with other Square products and third-party applications. And in customer support, robust support services, and extensive online resources, while real-time reporting, comprehensive reporting, and analytic tools. While the cons of using Square for Restaurants is in terms of its internet dependency, requires a stable internet connection for full functionality, and it has limited customization since may not meet the needs of establishments with highly specific needs, and to its transaction fees can add up for high-volume restaurants. And in terms of hardware costs, upfront costs of purchasing hardware can be significant, and its customer support response time, longer wait times reported during peak hours, and feature limitations since some advanced features found in other POS systems may be lacking, and dependence on Square ecosystem since restaurants may find themselves locked into using Square for other services. But the question is, who should choose Square for Restaurants? Well, Square for Restaurants POS is an option for dining places, especially those in search of a user-friendly, all-encompassing, and budget-friendly solution. Small to size eateries, coffee shops, bars, food trucks, and fast service establishment can reap benefits from Square's easy-to-use interface and extensive range of features. The platform's transparent pricing structure, devoid of contracts or hidden charges, make it particularly enticing for cautious businesses aiming to manage expenses efficiently. And Square for restaurants can adapt to the requirements of both single location venues and chains with locations. Its smooth integration with Square offerings and third-party apps further elevates its appeal by enabling restaurants to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. In essence, restaurants in need of a POS solution that's easy to navigate and can expand alongside their business growth should seriously consider Square for restaurants as their top pick. Now moving on to alternatives, we have here Toast POS, which is the most innovative POS system on the market, in which it is best for all types of restaurants that want to complete restaurant management system, and also Touch Bistro POS system, designed by restaurant industry veterans. It is best for independent full-service restaurants looking for a well-designed, feature-rich, and secure cloud or server-based POS system, while Lightspeed Restaurant is a cleverly crafted POS with exceptional design. It is best for upscale eateries seeking powerful data insights, retail features, and extensive integration possibilities. And aside from that, we also have here Spot On Restaurant, which is excellent hardware options and no long-term contracts. It is best for all-in-one POS solution with modern restaurant-specific features for fine dining, QSRs, bars, and food truck. While GoTab Restaurant POS is easy-to-use mobile POS with a focus on e-commerce and contactless ordering and payment features. It is best for restaurants looking for a POS with strong e-commerce and contactless ordering and payment features. Now moving on to user reviews, customers who have used Square for restaurants often mention how easy it is to use. Its pricing, many users find the interface user-friendly, making order taking and menu management simple. Furthermore, Square's clear pricing structure receives a praise for its transparency as users appreciate the absence of hidden charges or lengthy contracts. And the platform ability to scale up easily is another benefit, allowing restaurants to grow without complications. However, some users have experienced connectivity issues in areas with poor internet connectivity, leading to service interruptions. While Square's customer support is generally seen as helpful, response times may be longer during periods. But overall, many people prefer Square for restaurants due to its ease of access, affordability, adaptability to types and sizes of restaurants. Now moving on to customer support, Square for Restaurants offers support to customers through channels like phone, email, and live chat. Users can get help with any problems or queries they face while using the platform. Square support team is known for being quick and helpful, providing assistance with issues, account management, and problem solving. Moreover, Square offers a range of resources such as knowledge bases, tutorials, and community forums that users can use to find solutions to queries or enhance their understanding of the Square for Restaurant POS system. In essence, Square for Restaurant places an emphasis on customer support to ensure that restaurant owners and staff receive the help to make the most of the platform and tackle any obstacles they may encounter. And now in conclusion or in summary, Square for Restaurant POS shines as an user-friendly solution designed specifically to meet the evolving requirements of the restaurant industry. With its to-use interface, pricing structure, and comprehensive features, Square enables restaurants of all sizes to streamline their operations, improve customer interactions, and boost business growth. The platform's ability to scale up, integrate with systems, provide responsive customer service cements its position as a top pick for restaurants in search of a dependable and flexible POS system. Whether it's handling orders, optimizing table arrangement, or analyzing sales figures, Square for Restaurant equips establishments with the tools to thrive in today's hospitality sector. And overall, Square for Restaurants represents innovation, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness, making it value ally for restaurants aiming to excel in the realm. And that is just a review about Square for Restaurants. Thank you.